Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that we have a right triangle. One angle measures d degrees, and cosine d is equal to 5/13. We're asked, given this, what is the sine of 90 minus d? So we have a right triangle, and the first thing we need to notice is that the cosine of d is not 0, right? The cosine of 90 is 0. Therefore, d is not 90. We're not talking about the right angle here. D is one of the other two angles. We're told that the cosine of d is 5/13. So what does that mean? That means that the ratio of the adjacent side to the angle, which is this side, over the hypotenuse is 5/13. So for some value of x, we don't know the value of x, but for some value of x, 5x is equal to the length of this side, and 13x is equal to the length of that side, where cosine d is equal to the adjacent, which is 5x, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 13x. The x's cancel, and you get 5/13. So what does it mean for an angle to be 90 minus d in this situation? Well, let's try and find the value of this angle. We know that the measurements of the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So 90 plus d plus, let's call this angle E, equals 180. Subtracting 90, subtracting d from both sides to solve just for E. Everything cancels, and we have E equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90 minus d. So this angle is 90 minus d. So we're looking for the sine of this angle. So the sine of E is going to be our final answer. What is it? Well, the sine is not the adjacent side, but the opposite side, which in this case is 5x, divided by the hypotenuse is 13x, and therefore the sine of 90 minus d is the same as the cosine of d, and it's 5/13. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.